Turn coming up.
A sign of hope for thousands of Hoosiers facing Alzheimer's disease and the loved ones who care for them. The FDA has approved an Eli Lilly drug for people with early signs of Alzheimer's. WRTV's Amber Grigley spoke with a Carmel woman who participated in the trial about what it means to be able to slow down the disease.
I feel overwhelmed. I've been very emotional today because now there's so much hope for other people with the same diagnosis that I have.
Patricia Bashara was diagnosed with Alzheimer's 6.5 years ago.
When I heard the diagnosis, my first thoughts were, I won't remember my children and my grandchildren's names in 5 years.
Patricia applied for clinical trials but didn't qualify until she was screened and accepted for Eli Lilly's trial.
I had 41 infusions, and I just finished a few weeks ago, at the beginning of June.
41 months of treatment, providing the Bashara family with hope.
And look at it, how I am 6.5 years later, and I'm doing so well. I'm sorry if I'm getting emotional, but it's just such a wonderful thing that's happened. I mean, these are happy tears really now, because it's such a wonderful thing that's happened for so many of us all over the world.
The new drug is called Kisunla, and it can slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease, again, when it's provided to those living in the early stages of the disease.
Natalie Sutton, chapter executive of Alzheimer's Association Greater Indiana, tells me there are more than 121,000 people living with Alzheimer's in Indiana, and more than 216,000 family members and friends caring for them.
It's a progressive brain disease that has been fatal, and until recently, there hasn't been a way to slow, stop, or prevent Alzheimer's disease.
A step forward, Sutton says, is just the beginning of endless opportunities for families.
We have to continue that work. We have to continue investing in science.
Kisunla is one of 2 drugs that's been shown to delay cognitive decline in patients in the early stages of Alzheimer's. Timing that Patricia says can make all the difference.
When you feel that there is an issue, or there is someone that one of your friends or neighbors or anyone that you feel might have an issue, don't feel embarrassed to say something to them. It's not anything that is contagious. It's not anything to be ashamed of. And you might be really helping them out.
I'm Amber Grigley, WRTV.
Eli Lilly says 2% of patients experience certain serious adverse events during the drug trial. They say the drug can help patients live independent lives for longer.